Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how you can turn your website into a lead generation machine and really generate some more revenue for your business month over month. Now, to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding landscaping businesses in your area. And if you're like me, chances are you go on Google, type in whatever service or industry you're looking for in the upper search bar, along with your city name, and then you'll scroll down and pick from the first few results down below, or you'll pick in this Google Map pack. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you choose from, but it seems to be a pretty popular option to find services on Google because there's about 900 searches every single month for landscaping companies in that Fort Wayne area. And now the goal of this video is to put your business at the forefront of those searches so you can guarantee that 900 people every single month see your business first before looking at another landscaping company. However, in order to do that, there's a few different things that we'll need to do first. So first off, we're going to talk about content because content is really king on Google. So let's take a look at one of your competitors' sites as far as content goes, and then we'll go back and compare that to your website. So here we are at Galebrait's Landscaping, and if we scroll down their site, you're going to notice that they don't have too much content, a few paragraphs here and there, but nothing too intense. And that's going to work very much in our favor because content is a big portion as to why Google ranks companies where they rank because it promotes a positive user experience by having more content. And that's really what Google's looking for when they want to promote a website to the first page is that they promote that very positive user experience. And that can be done, like I said, through having a good amount of content. Now, if we examine their content even further, you start to notice that they have tons of industry-specific keywords, and keywords are the most used words or phrases on a website. And based on these keywords, we're going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do, maybe where we operate from, and ultimately who we are as a company. So, very important that we not only have a lot of content, but that we also have the industry-specific keywords to back it. So, let's take a look at your website and see if it follows that pattern. So now here we are on your website, and as I scroll through, I notice that you do have some content, a few paragraphs here and there. But once again, we want to go above and beyond our competitors. Right now, I'd say you probably fall within the same range, maybe a little bit more content on your site, but we're going to want to push that envelope. And I normally recommend about 750 to 1,000 words of content on any given page on your website. You can feel free to go much more than that if you'd like. However, that's the bare minimum of what I recommend. But we also need those industry specific keywords like roofing, roof, Fort Wayne, basically anything that we want to tell Google. We want it to be in our upper echelon of keywords to really drive home the point to Google as to where we do business and who we are as a company. But now that's only going to be the first part of our entire process here. We also have our second part, which is going to be the external things, which is going to consist of our backlinks and our citations. So let's take a look at your competitor's backlink structure and see what they're doing so far and see how you stack up. So here we are in a tool I use called Ahrefs, and you'll see your competitor has about 600 backlinks built to their site, and it's driving them roughly 1,200 users every single month. Now, those 1,200 users are a direct result of the things that they're doing internally as far as content and keywords go, as well as the things that they're doing externally with their backlink structure. So if they have 600 backlinks, I would go and recommend about 1,200 backlinks, maybe even 1,800 if you really want to push that margin on top of our content and keywords. But let's go back to your website and see what you're doing so far as backlinking goes. But if you stick to the things that I mentioned so far, I don't see any reason as to why you wouldn't be able to generate over 1,000 users to your own website. So now here we are looking at your website, and you'll notice that you don't have any backlinks built to your site, so you're not generating any power or really bringing in any organic traffic. And now we need to change that because the way we look at our website is our website is a 24/7 salesperson. It works for us in the morning, it works for us at night. But we need to give it the tools it needs to really close sales. Otherwise, our website isn't really doing anything for us. So we want to make sure that we have the content, the keywords, and the backlinks to really push our site to the top of Google search engine results page. And that should really help us generate some revenue for our business. But there was one more thing that I mentioned in this video, and that was citations. So let's go over to the Google Map Pack, talk about citations and how they really tie into everything here. Here we are on Google, and if we scroll down, we have this map pack here, and it's very important because it essentially gives our business a second place to be seen online. And the map pack looks for a variety of different factors when it ranks its company, one of the most important being citations. Now, citations are any place your business's name, address, and phone number are going to be listed online. Some popular citations are things like Yelp, Facebook, Instagram, Yellow Pages, Yellow Books. All those are different citations you can give for your business, and they all help with the Google Map Pack. So I took it upon myself to take a look through each one of these companies and see how many citations they had. At number one, we had 54. At number 2, we had 37. And at number 3, we had 28. So if number 1 has 54, like I said, we always want to go bigger and better. So we're going to want 108 citations on top of our backlinks, on top of our keywords, and on top of our contentful pages. And if you do all of that, you should start to see a massive improvement in the amount of traffic your website can generate, but even more importantly, the amount of revenue that your business starts to generate month over month. Now that's all I have for you in this video, but I will leave you with one question, and that question is, what could an extra 880 customers a month do for your business? Once again, my name is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads. I hope this video is very educational, and thank you for watching.